Click on the link below to get price. The Household Dehumidifier with a 2000 ml water tank is an excellent addition for anyone looking to improve air quality in their home. This portable electric dehumidifier is particularly well suited for bathrooms, basements, and small spaces prone to moisture buildup. The first aspect that stands out is its impressive water tank capacity. With a 2000 ml tank, it can efficiently extract moisture from the air without needing constant emptying, which is a significant advantage for busy households. The operation is relatively simple. Once set up, it runs quietly in the background, making it perfect for use in bedrooms or living areas where noise could be a disturbance. The silent operation is a major plus, as it allows for undisturbed relaxation or sleep. In terms of performance, this dehumidifier excels at removing excess humidity. I noticed a remarkable difference in the air quality after just a few hours of operation. The air felt fresher, and there was a noticeable reduction in mustiness, which is often a concern in bathrooms and enclosed spaces. The dehumidifier also features a smart auto shut-off function, which activates when the tank is full, ensuring that there are no leaks or spills. Another notable feature is its portability. The compact design makes it easy to move from one room to another, depending on where moisture levels are high. It doesn't take up much space, and its modern aesthetic allows it to blend seamlessly with home decor. One potential downside is that while it works effectively in smaller rooms, you might need a more powerful unit for larger areas. Additionally, the dehumidifier does require a bit of regular maintenance, such as cleaning the water tank to prevent mold buildup. Overall, the Household Dehumidifier is a solid investment for anyone looking to combat humidity in their home. It is efficient, portable, and operates quietly, making it an ideal choice for maintaining a comfortable living environment.